But the other animals of the belt 13 senses beyond what we can even imagine. And also, hey, what's that? Did you hear something? It's like a scratching sound. And what's that strange musky smell? It seems to be coming from the roof of our hut. Asa kaya? Oh, there you are! This furry creature is a pouncey, and his name is Curly. You know guys, seabeds like their face up high, like our sea synaptics. And he uses that musky smell to mark his territory. Just like our wagyu is busy at night finding food, so their eyesight is excellent in the dark. And speaking of food he loves to slide, wow, banana! Now, let's see Curly how to find a tasty treat by using his sensitive sense of smell. I've got 3 bamboo cups here, okay, and some bananas, and I'm going to hide the treat under one of these bamboo cups. And his job is to sniff it out. Then, you're going to tell us that he found the banana by flicking the bamboo cup by his spoon. Okay guys, subukan natin ha. Yeah. Okay, Curly, can you find the banana for us? Hey, you found it! Great job! Okay, but to make it sure, let's try it one more time. But now, I need your participation. So you have to tell me, where do you want me to place this other piece of banana? Sa middle ba o sa left? Middle? Okay. Alright. Okay, Curly. You're ready again. Hey, again. How about the nice one more round for Curly? Very good, we're ready.